you after the withdrawal
Oh,
case against you?
yeah, thank you so very much. We're quite excited. It's 100% justice delivered. And the victory is for all the good people of Benue State. God leads, and God is again demonstrates every day, that justice is justice. Quite pleased that it's come to this point. Um, it's going to ginger us some more to do the great things for the state. Actually, it's quite a high time for everyone to come on board with us, for the progress, for the development of Benue State. So it is a great win for all the great people of the state. We're very excited about the day.
Against, so just like to have your view concerning this matter, based on the fact that we had to withdraw the case on your nomination.
Well, yes, I am the third respondent in this matter, as you know. My principal, the governor of Benue State, has said all that needs to be said. We are happy that justice has been served. That is the conclusion of the matter. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Congratulations again.
No, there's a reform in the justice sector, and it's taking roots. We are happy that things are changing. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
sir. I am appreciative of the work done by the justices that sat on the case. This is a long battle that took us to 13 cases at the pre-election matter on this same point. They lost down to Court of Appeal up to Supreme Court and re-instigated the case during, in the election petition. And today, the Supreme Court have just shown to the world that justice is consistent. Justice is for all. That the case, the court is consistent in doing justice to the society, and they are not interested in the politics around it. So I am very, very elated that it ends this way. And I'm not sure it's expected, because I've read the case. There's no merit in the case.
Okay, just a quick one. He tried to bring up section 177C, like also against the governor. Could you just, for the benefit of those who were not in court, just tell us more about that and why the court had to make sure he withdrew on that ground?
Yeah, the section 177C that talks about qualification, and they are hammering on the issue of qualification on peripheral issues on the INEC forms, and not as provided by the Constitution on the strict senses, the qualification of a candidate that deals with his school certificates, the age, and all of that. But they were relying on INEC form, presentation of INEC form, the time of primaries. To their own argument, the court order primary was conducted less than 30 days to the day of the conduction of the election proper, which these issues are outside completely section 177C of the Constitution. And the law is very consistent that what is not expressly mentioned in the law is expressly excluded. So they cannot read into the Constitution what is not there. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.